So, can I really run this business from anywhere? Yes, absolutely po. Ito talaga ang isa sa favorite ko about my digital business. Because my business is online. I can work anywhere, anytime, at my own pace. Pwede akong mag-work dito sa bahay namin sa Sweden, kahit ako'y nagluluto, kung nag-garden, nasa porch, nasa labas, even here sa greenhouse ko. And yes, habang nagta-travel as long as my phone at laptop ako at my internet connection. At hindi mo siya maghapon na uupuan. It will run for you while you're busy with the other things. And as a mom, sobrang importante sa akin ang flexibility na yan. Kasi, let's be honest, hindi naman laging sumusunod ang buhay natin sa 9 to 5 schedule, di ba? Alam niyo po, marami sa mga business partners namin are working moms din. They build their businesses around their schedule. Minsan, during work breaks, habang naglalaro ang mga kids, or whenever may konting free time. Kung may little ones ka, you can work on your business habang nasa park sila and playing. Pwede mo rin itong dalhin sa beach, or habang nagbabakasyon, or nagta-travel. And that's what I love about this business. You can build your business around your life instead of making your whole life fit around work. For me, it's about having more flexibility with my time, being present for my family, and at the same time, building something of my own online. So, kung interesado ka sa ganitong lifestyle, let's turn our scrolling into something valuable. Message me lamang po. And tomorrow, pag-usapan naman natin ang isang napakagandang importanteng question. What makes this business legitimate? So stay tuned and thank you for watching!